In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Slack for your company. By the end of this walkthrough, you will have a brand new Slack workspace ready for your team and a clear idea of which plan might be right for you. Let's start inside the Slack desktop app or web app. Look to the top left corner of your screen. You should see your current workspace name, along with a small icon next to it. Click on that workspace name icon. This is where Slack lets you move between different workspaces, and it's also where you can create new ones. When the menu opens, look for the option that says Add a Workspace. Go ahead and click on that. This tells Slack that you either want to join an existing workspace or set up a new one for your company. Next, you'll see an option labeled Create a New Workspace. Click on Create a New Workspace. This is the path we're going to follow to set up a fresh, dedicated space for your team. Slack will now take you to a setup page in your browser. Here, you'll be asked to type in your email. Use a work email address that you have easy access to, ideally one associated with your company domain. Carefully type in your email, making sure there are no typos because Slack will send a confirmation there. Once your email is entered, click on the Continue button. Slack will typically send a code or a link to that email address. Open your inbox in a separate tab or window, find the message from Slack, and follow the instructions to confirm your email. This is how Slack verifies you and starts building your workspace. From here, simply follow the on-screen prompts. Slack will ask for a few key details like your company or workspace name and what you want to call your first project or team channel. Take a moment to choose names that make sense for your organization, since your team will see these every day. After you've created the workspace, it's a good idea to also go to slack.com in your browser. At the top of the homepage, click on Pricing. This is where you can compare the different plans Slack offers. Look through the options and choose a plan that fits your team's size, budget, and feature needs. You can always start on a free tier and upgrade later as your company grows.